I'm going to show you the quickest and simplest way to change your battery with some handy tips. Let's get into it. The bonnet release lever is located in the passenger footwell area. Then pull the safety latch upwards to release the bonnet. We'll follow normal procedure by starting with the negative terminal first. You'll need a 10mm socket for this. The junction box will be removed with the positive terminal, so loosen the terminal nut first. While lifting the junction box slightly, you'll need to unclip the hooks to release the junction box. These are located on the sides. Be careful though, as they break quite easily. We can now remove the bolt on the retaining bracket. You'll need a 13mm socket and extension for this. The battery can now be removed. Just be careful not to damage the junction box. When installing the new battery, just make sure the positive is at the back. And once it's in position, shift it to the right into the retaining lip. Starting on the positive side, push the terminal over first and then clip in the junction box before tightening the nut. It's always a good idea to push the terminal down as far as possible. We use a screwdriver just to open the ends of the terminal while pushing it down. We can now fit the retaining bracket. Lastly, fit the negative terminal and then make sure everything is nice and secure. If you'd like to know how to choose the correct battery for your vehicle, then go ahead and watch this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.